All right. So tell me some of the things that you can do with your shoulder now that you couldn't do before the surgery.
Before the surgery, I had a lot of pain in the shoulder, and so I was very limited on what I could do with it. And basically, with all the pain medications that I was taking, and it was keeping me up at night, sometimes waking up 3 or 4 times a night with just not being able to get comfortable and not be able to sleep on the thing.
Yeah. And show me how high you can lift it, and show me how well you can get behind your back. Excellent. Okay. And you have any pain with that now?
I have no pain with it.
Okay.
The only thing I have is exercising the arm. I have a little discomfort from the exercises that I do,
Yeah.
and I think that's to be expected. But it's just so nice not to have to take any pain pills anymore.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad you're doing so well, man. Thank you
I
very
am
much.
doing great.